Here we have a 2018 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now this vehicle does come with 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels. Now they are brand new, so they are in superb condition. Now they are wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres all the way round. Now we do have the Raptor style front grille as well as that light bar. We also have the bash bar just at the bottom there as well. Now we do have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle, which really does make this car stand out from the rest. Now we do have side steps on either side, as well as the black window trim, privacy glass on the rear. We also have the roof bars just up there as well. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Now we do also have a tow bar just down there as well, and we also have the luggage load liner just there too. Now we do have the WILDTRAK and Ranger decals on the rear. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have half fabric and half leather interior with isofix points, pull down leather armrest. We also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat with 12-volt connectivity just down there. On the doors you do have your electric windows with your leather trim with your orange stitching. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat again, which is the half fabric and half leather with WILDTRAK just stitching up there as well. On the doors you have your electric windows, and you also have the carbon fibre look trim just there as well as the bronze door handles. Jumping inside the car, you do have your power folding mirrors just there with your auto lights. Jumping in, foot on the brake and turn the key, and then the vehicle will then start. And as you can see, it's free from any warning lights on the dashboard, and it's covered just over 71,440 miles. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just there. Now coming to the centre, we do have the carbon fibre look trim all around this vehicle. Now we do have the satellite navigation, as well as audio connectivity, where we do have DAB radio. If I go on to sources, you can find AM, FM, DAB, CD and auto Bluetooth audio. You have climate control, which is dual zone, as you can see just there, and works exactly how you would expect it to. Now, it does have 2 heated front seats which you can control from just here, and you can also control the climate control and the seats from just down here as well. We have Bluetooth phone connectivity there too. And we also have navigation, mobile apps, settings. Now in settings you can find your Apple CarPlay just there as well. Pop it into reverse, you can see the rear camera with the front and rear parking sensors visual display just in the top right hand corner. Now coming down it, again you do have your dual zone climate control, 2 12-volt connectivity with storage and also 2 USB ports just down there. Parking sensors, traction control on and off, and also downhill ascent assist. You also have 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice size cup holders, soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath. And there's a look at the passengers, again half leather and half fabric seat with WILDTRAK just stitched in. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.